Hello guys, this is Rajesh Agrawal. Today I will be taking you through the financial module of Asan ERP Lite. As mentioned, this is the lighter version of Asan ERP and this is available free of cost for you. So today I'll tell you how you can manage your financials in a very simple way if you are a small business owner. This is an excellent tool, believe me, and a simplest way to manage your financials. Okay, let's come to the financial module. I mean, once you register into it and all those stuff, I'll not get into this financial module. First of all, let me show you what all you can get from here. Okay, let's go to the summary part. I mean, what you can actually fetch out of it, what kind of details you can see, what kind of things you can analyze over it. So it will show you how much sales you have done till now. Okay, so I'll just take you to the previous year. So you can do it into multiple years as well. I don't have any data for current year. So as you can see, it will show you the sales, how much sales you have done as in the particular year, how much profit you have made, and I'll tell you to calculate this profit. There is a simple way to do this. There's nothing complicated, no deep accounting and everything. Very simple way you can do this. That's first thing. Secondly, as you can see the graph. So if you see over here, you can see the charts. If you want to see the sales, the profit chart, you can just click over here and see how the profit chart has gone and sales chart has gone. Similarly, you can see the profit and everything of every month, like April, May, June, how much sales you have done, how much profit you have done, and this way it will show you. You can see how many, what are the three highest sales months, what are the three lowest sales months, which were the three most profitable months, which were the three least profitable months. Okay, and where you are actually spending most of the things. So here, if you can see, most of the money has been spent on the salary part. So this is a service business, so of course most of the things will go into salary part. So you could have something different, other expenses, marketing, chartered accountant. So all these things we have seen, and the highest expenses. So you can see on salary how much we have spent, other expenses. So these categories you can create yourself. This is one of the snapshot. However, if you want to go in detail of all these things, you can go to the profit and loss module, and here you can see the month-wise detail of each and everything. This is the, you can say the deep dive version of whatever you're seen here. Here it is the plain, overall view, and here it is a detailed view. So if you go over here, as you can see in April, May, June, how much you are making into this. Okay, so again we have to go to 2023 to see some data over here. And again, so as you can see in April, May, these are the categories. For example, these are the software that we sell, Asan ERP, AWM Biomedical, AWM Customize, eBase. So how much money we are making on each of these, and how much expenses we are making on different things. For example, how much we are spending on server, chartered accountant, hardware, Facebook ads, and all those stuff, meals and entertainment, and how much the total expense, and ultimately how much profit you are making. So you can see the month-wise details here, as you can see. And at the end of the day, you can see total YTD for everything. And you can also, if you want, you can download it to the Excel sheet and see the details. You can also print it. So this is what you get as a whole. Along with this, what you get the reports. Okay. So these reports are basic reports for any small business. I think these are sufficient reports. I'll show you one by one. So for example, here these are the invoice details. So you see the invoice number, tax type, status, month, and how much, what is the unit price, discount percentage, what are the total cost, tax amount, total amount. So invoice wise details you will get. These are the sales invoice. Similarly, you get the purchase wise details, GST, tax type, account name. We don't have data here, but this is very similar to the purchase invoice that you receive. So this is about what are the purchase you are making, and it was about what sales you are making. Similarly, these are the payment details. What payment you have made to whom? These are the payment details you can see. Which account name and how much payment you have done. Then, what you have received. So this is the received details from bank to bank. What was the mode? How much amount you received? This is all the receivables. Not receivables. You have already received. And then if you want to see the account ledger, you can also see the account ledger of a particular company over here. What sales, receive, purchase, and everything. ledger, and at the end of the day you can also see the GST report. So what are the sales, CGST, SGST, IGST total, similarly purchase and net payable for that particular month, how much you have to pay. So these GST reports you can fetch monthly, yearly, whatever the date range you want, you can fetch it easily. So these kind of reports you get. Now to get all these kind of reports, what you need to do, I'll show you. This is very simple. First of all, you go over here and create the categories. Okay. So you need to create the categories over here. As you can see, we have created different categories: web development, utilities, UX design. So here, whenever you're creating category, you have to select, is it an expense category or a revenue category? What do we mean by that? Where you are spending the money, giving away the money, then it's an expense, and if you receive through that, then it's a revenue. For example, website development is a revenue for us, right? And similarly, if you go to the salary or the repair, this is an expense for us. So this way you just need to create the category. Once you create the categories, then what you need to do, you come over here and you just need to put the receipts and the payment part. So get receipts means if you are receiving the money, then you go over here, get receipts part, and if you are making the payment, then you go to the make payment. Make payment module. Then you have to go. Okay. So here first I want you to show here over here is the get receipt part first. That is the first thing that we just need to look into. So as you can see here over, this is the receipt part, and in the receipt part what you can do, you can just simply click on plus, and you can select the account I have already shown you in the previous video. Whatever the amount you are receiving, receipt date, and against which category you are actually receiving it. So once you put all these things, then you can simply submit it. That's it. This is receiving. Similarly, you can make the payments, and the make payment part, you just need to whatever you are paying, to whoever you are paying. Also, you can add multiple multiple payments you can record at once. So here, if you go over here, similarly, you need to select the account, how much payment you are making, against which category you are making. All these details you can put over here, and then you submit it. That's it. These two things you need to do, and you can get all these reports. I'll come to the sales and purchase part, where if you want to see how you can make the sales invoices, how you can register your purchase invoices, how you can create your order, subscriptions, and all those stuff. That will be covering into the next video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.